In this tutorial, I am teaching the foundation apps as a real product build, not as a reading of the catalog. The example is a PR intelligence assistant for a campus event team. The product monitors approved public sources, groups early issues, drafts a one-page brief, creates a short explainer outline, and exports only after a human reviewer approves every claim. The final portfolio package should contain the product specification, source policy, agent role files, workflow code, evidence audit, review interface, tests, and exported media kit. Use the console as a quality gate. Every recommended tool must produce a file, test, screen, or release artifact. If a tool only sounds impressive but does not move the build forward, leave it out of the first version. The first action is to create the project and write the OpenSpec contract before any agent generates content. In a terminal, create the project folder, run OpenSpec in it, and create a feature called Campus PR Intel. The important files are prd.md, acceptance.md, and failure-cases.md. In the PRD, define the user as a campus event communication team, the job as detecting public issues before publishing, the allowed inputs as approved URLs, RSS feeds, and press pages, and the output as a one-page issue brief plus a short explainer outline. The human boundary is explicit. No claim is published before review. The refusal rules are also explicit. Reject private sources, unclear rights, unsupported claims, and conflicting evidence. This is what makes the later agent work controllable. Next, turn the product contract into an operating team. Use gstack to create a small product team, then use superpowers to add reusable skills. For this project, the useful skills are source triad, citation checking, explainer script QA, and release notes. Do not define 10 vague agents. Define 3 strong contracts. The researcher collects only approved public sources and records URL, date, author, publisher, and rights note. The editor turns the evidence table into a brief and a 60-second explainer outline. The QA agent blocks unsupported claims, private data, missing citations, and unclear licensing. The student should read these role files before running the workflow. When agents are vague, the product becomes vague. When the role contracts are concrete, the output becomes teachable, testable, and suitable for a portfolio. Now use CC Switch as a workspace control layer. It is useful because students may use multiple coding agents, model providers, and CP servers, and skills in one build. It is not the product itself. Create a profile called Media PR Intel. Pin the reasoning model, the research model, and the UX review model. Enable only the MCP servers needed for approved public sources, browser automation on approved sites, and project local files. Enable only the skills that the role files require. Then run CC Switch Doctor before production work. In teaching videos, use placeholders only. Never show API keys, tokens, cookies, or private accounts. The practical test is simple. After switching the profile, restart the terminal and run one small verification task. If the same project can be reopened with the same profile, the workspace is reproducible. For the runtime, do not start by installing every framework. Start with Codex, Claude Code, OpenHands, and the native model SDK to build the first slice. If the assistant only has a few approved sources, a simple source table and citation schema are enough. Add LangGraph when the product genuinely needs durable state, retries, checkpoints, and a human review gate. Add Llama Index or LangChain only when the evidence problem is larger, document ingestion, archive search, OCR, source retrieval, citation tracing, or audit logs. For this PR intelligence assistant, the decision is practical. Collect approved sources, score evidence quality, draft the issue brief, require editor approval, and export the kit. If every claim can be traced from a simple table, keep it simple. If the archive grows, then add a retrieval layer. Evidence is the safety system, but LangChain is not the starting point for most media students. Finally, use a coding agent such as OpenHands to implement the smallest reviewable slice: source intake, one run button, a claim review screen, a citation table, and an export button. Semantic kernel patterns are useful here for packaging prompts, planners, memory, and tools into maintainable app architecture. The student should not stop at a pretty demo. Run the unit tests, run the claim evaluation, export the media kit, and inspect the artifacts. A strong submission includes issue-brief.md, explainer-storyboard.md, captions.srt, sourceaudit.csv, and failure-cases.md. In the presentation, show the original OpenSpec requirement, the agent workflow, one rejected unsupported claim, one approved claim with citation, and the exported brief. That is how these foundation apps become professional agentic AI product development for communication students.